Hello students, welcome to Entri. My name is Abdullah Rahman and I am your quants educator. And today's session is for surprise test for IBPS Clerk 2020. And this session will constitute 15 questions. Out of these 15 questions, 3 questions will be of your number series. 3 questions we will be taking up of simplification, 2 questions from quadratic equation, and 4 questions from arithmetic, and apart from that 3 questions will be from your data interpretation 6, 6, 4, 10, 15. Okay, so in this session we will be taking up 15 tentative questions that can be asked in your IBPS Clerk 2020. So the basic purpose for this session is to help you analyze your strength and weaknesses so you can furnish your preparation for your IBPS Clerk 2020. So those students who have joined the session, please do share the session to your maximum social platform so that all the students can join and gain the questions which we are going to ask in this particular session. Okay, so the timer set for all the questions is for 40 seconds. Try to solve the question in 40 seconds, and if you are not able to solve the question in that allotted time, don't panic. The whole purpose is to make you accustomed to the time pressure that is involved in your real examination. So those students who have joined the session, do share the session so that I start the session. Hello everyone, come on. Okay, now let's start the session. The first question for this particular session is your question number 1, and your timer starts now. 40-second timer, and this question is of your number series, and you have to find the wrong number in this particular series. Quickly try to punch your answer. Okay, take your time, try to find the logic behind this particular series and find which of the following term is not according to the logic of the series. Okay, come on. So your time is up. Now let us see what is the logic behind this particular series. As you see, the first term is 8, the second term is 10, and then 15 and 32 and 96 and 354. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to see the difference. The difference between 8 and 10 is 2. The difference between 10 and 15 is 5. The difference between 15 and 32 comes out to be 17, and the difference between 32 and 96 comes out to be 64, and the difference between 96 and 354, I think it is 258. Okay, now what is the logic behind this particular series? As you see, this 2 can be written as square of 1 plus 1. Likewise, this 5 can be written as square of 2 plus 1, and this 17 can be written as 4 square plus 1. Now what we are seeing, then addition of 1 is common in all, and 1 is being double to obtain 2, then 2 is being double to obtain 4. It means the next difference should be double of 4, means 8 square plus 1, and this gives us 65. So the difference which is here 64 will not be, the difference will be 65, and then 32 plus 65 will give you the next term 97. So the wrong term is in this particular series comes out to be 96, means your option number D. Okay, hopefully the logic behind this particular number series is clear to all of you. Now let's try the second question of number series, and the second question of number series is this with the timer. Okay, try to understand the logic behind this particular series and try to punch your answer. Come on, quickly punch your answer. Try to find what is the difference, what is the logic that is going on in this series. The first term is 22, 24, 32, 70, 168, 511. So those who students, those are connected, please do share the session. Okay. Now, what is the logic behind this particular series? Now, the first term is 22, then the 24, then there is 32, then 70, then 168, then the difference is 511. Okay. So, what is the logic behind this? As we can see, the series is increasing very aggressively. Means the series should be going in multiplication. So, if we want to obtain 24, 22 multiplied 1 will give you 22 plus 2. What we will achieve? We will achieve 24. So the logic is we are multiplying by 1 and then adding 2. Okay. Now if we multiply 24 by 1.5, okay, we are multiplying by 1.5 minus 3 by 2. So this will give you 36 and minus 4 will give you 32. Okay. So first of all, in the first term we have added 2. Then we have doubled this number and minus this number from this series. Now 32 multiplied by 2, we are increasing by 0.5. Okay, so 32 into 2 will give you 64 and then we will be adding up 6 and then we will be able to achieve 70. So the logic is multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 2. So the next number should be multiplied by 2.5. 2.5 means 5 by 2. So this will give you 35. 35 into 5 will give you 175 and this will give you minus 8. So minus 8, when we will be subtracting 8, what we will be getting? We will be getting 167. So the wrong term in this particular series comes out to be 168. Okay, Thomas Francis has given the answer 70. I hope Thomas you have understood the logic behind this particular series. Okay. First of all, we have multiplied by 1, then 1.5, then multiplied by 2, then multiplied by 2.5, and here we are alternately adding and subtracting. Okay, plus 2, minus 4, plus 6 and minus 8. So according to this particular logic, the number here should be 167. So 168 is the wrong answer. Okay, got this logic? Now try the next series and the timer starts now. So Thomas Francis has given the answer 70 in the previous question. Now try to understand the logic behind this particular series and punch your answers quickly as you can. Okay, come on, and guys, please do share the session on your various social platforms so that maximum number of students can join this particular session. Okay, so the answer for this particular series will be what? Okay, see, the first as we see, the number is just getting near about half. Okay, we are seeing that the number is getting nearly halved. So the logic is that the number is being half. If you half 534 divided by 2, what we will be getting? We will be getting 267 and minus 1. So 266. Okay, now 266 if we divide by 2, we will be getting 133. Okay, and minus 1 will give you 132. And if we divide 132 by 2, we will be getting 66. Okay, and minus 1 will give you 65. So the logic is divide by 2 and minus 1. So if we divide 65 by 2, we will be getting 32.5 and minus 1 should come 31.5. So the right answer for this particular question should be C option. Okay, this particular number 32.5 is the wrong number in this particular series. Am I clear to everyone? Okay, Rani is saying nice question. Thank you, Rani. Now Hopefully the logic for this particular question is clear to all of you. Now moving to our next question. The next question is of simplification and your timer starts now. Come on, try to solve this particular problem of simplification within the time slotted. Okay, it is a little bit easy simplification question. I hope you all can solve this particular question within the time frame. Okay, come on, punch your answer quickly. Thomas, Rani, try to give the answer in the particular time slot. Okay, so what we can see, we are seeing that all the options, okay, all the options are carrying root 6. So it means that all these numbers 294, 726, 1176, 486 and 600, they all should be a multiplication of 6. So we are breaking all these number into 6. Okay, so when we multiplied 49 by 6, we will be getting 294. Likewise, for 726, what we can write? We can write 121 into 6, okay, and 1176 can be written as your 196 into 6, okay, and 486 can be written as 81 into 6, and likewise 600 can be written as 100 into 6. The main thing is to understand the logic quickly. Rani is saying time is needed. Okay Rani, but the main thing is that you should be in practice to try to solve the question in particular with a time pressure on. Okay, and if you are able to do it, very good, but if you are not able to solve the question, no problem. Okay, so the purpose of this whole session is to give you the idea of the level of the question and different approaches to solve the questions in a different manner. Okay, so here we get 49. So 49, root 49 can be written as 7 root 6, and 121 can be written as 11 root 6, plus 196 can be written as 14 root 6, and 81 can be written as 9 root 6, and 100 can be written as 10 root 6. Okay, Amal Hari has given the answer option A. Okay, let's see what will be the answer. 7 plus 11 will be 18, 18 plus 4 32, 32 plus 9 will give you 41, and 41 minus 10, it will give 31. So right answer should be 31 root 6. Amal Hari has given the right answer. Very good Amal, keep it up. And other students, do try to understand the logic behind solving the questions. Okay, the purpose of this session is to make you learn the various approaches in solving the different kind of questions alternately. Okay, hopefully this approach is clear. We have break all the numbers in the form of into 6. Okay, we have break 294 into 6, 726 into 6. Rani has also given the right answer, option A. 117 has been breaked into 6, 486 and 600. Okay, Lucky Lakshmi 31. Okay Lucky, very good. So let's move to our next question. The next question, and your timer starts now. A basic question of simplification based on the BODMAS rule. Okay, be careful while solving this question and apply the BODMAS rule. I have given you the hint. Now come on, try to punch the answers quickly. Lucky, Rani, Amal, Thomas. So what should be the answer of this particular question of simplification? Quickly punch your answers guys. Try to do mental calculation more. Okay, no written work is required. I have to write more because I have to explain. Okay, but you guys can solve this particular question in 1 or 2 steps more. All you have to do is to do the calculation mentally. So nobody has punched the right answer till now. What is your answer? Punch your answer. Don't be afraid of whether the answer will be wrong or right. Okay, come on, give your answers. Okay, Amal Hari is giving the option number C. Very good Amal. Rest of the guys, punch your answer. Amal has gone with the option number C. Lucky, Rani, what should be the answer? I am giving you more time. Come on. So let's try to solve this particular. Rani is going with the option number A. Very good, Rani. You have tried the question. So Amal is going with the option number C and Rani is going with the option number A. Now let's see how to solve this particular question. Now we have to apply the BODMAS rule. First of all, we will be solving these brackets. Okay, we will be solving these brackets. Rani has given the option C. Thomas is going with option A. Rani has changed her option. No problem. Let's see. First of all, we will be solving this particular bracket. Nisar has also come with option C. Very good, all of you. At least you are trying to solve the question. So what we will be getting? We will be getting 12 minus 6, 6 and 12 divided by 6, 2. Okay. And try to remember, we will be multiplying this 6 by 12. Okay. So what we will be getting? 12 minus 12 into 12 divided by 12, 6 is 72. And 12 divided by 12 plus 12 minus 12 into 24. First of all, we have to solve the bracket and the value which will be coming in the bracket will be multiplied by 12. Okay, we will not be applying the multiplication sign. Okay, now what we are going to solve? We are going to solve the division one. So what we are going to get? We are going to 12 minus 12 into 1 by 6. Okay, and here we will be getting 1 plus 12 minus 24. Now we will be solving this. So 6 and 2, 12 minus 2 will give you 10, and 12 and 13, 12 and 1 13 minus 24 minus 11. So the right option will be minus 10 by 11. Okay guys, the answer should be minus 10 by 11. Anyone has gone with the option B? If any confusion regarding this question, please do clear that confusion. Everyone is clear? According to the BODMAS rule, we are going to apply BODMAS. Okay. So in BODMAS, first of all, we will solve the values that are given in brackets. Okay. And try to remember 12 into 6. We are not going to write it like 12 into 6. This is wrong. Okay. It means we are going to multiply it. 12 and 6 will be 72. And if you are going to apply the multiplication sign, then the order of operation will change. Okay, so the right answer for this particular question will come out to minus 10 by 11. Any doubt? Thomas, Ayushi, Renu, Lucky, Nisar, Amal. Hopefully this approach is clear to all of you. Okay, and if any confusion, you can comment in the comment section. I will try to explain it there also. Now coming to our next question. Now try to solve this particular question. Come on guys. Quickly. Sorry, your timer starts now. 10 seconds have gone. Very simple question. But the thing is, how are you going to approach this particular question? Hopefully, I am clear to all of you. Anuj, Nisar, Renu, Thomas. Very good, all of you. Come on, try to punch your answers. Okay, I am waiting a little bit more for all of you. Give your answers, students. So Nisar has come with option number A. Very good, Nisar. Very good. Anyone else? Come on, Thomas is also going with option number A. So according to Nisar and Thomas, the answer should be 463. Amal is going with option number C. Very good, Amal. Amal is going with option number C. Nisar and Thomas are going with option number A. Okay, Raj Shekhar Reddy option number C. Guru Suresh Yadav option number D. Very good guys. Now what is the logic behind solving this particular question? We are going to take out 4 whole 1 by 7 common from here. We are going to take out 4 whole 1 by 7 common from here, and we are going to take out 4 whole 1 by 7 common from here. Okay, so 4 whole 1 by 7 comes out, and in the bracket we will be left with 43 plus 83 minus 7. Is it clear to all of you? 43 plus 83, 126 minus 7, 4 whole 1 by 7 into 119. Okay, so what we are going to do, we have to multiply it 4 whole 1 by 7 into 119. We are going to solve it like this. We multiplied 4 by 119, and when we multiplied 4 into 1 by 119, what we are going to get? We are going to get 176, and we are going to multiply 1 by 7 into 1 by 19, and from here what we will be getting? We will be getting 17. Okay, so if any type of calculation comes out like this, what we are going to do? We are going to multiply it by 4 like this and multiply this, and then we will add these two numbers. So what we are going to get? We are going to get 789 493. So all the students who have punched their option C, they have got the right answer. Rajshekhar Reddy, Rani, Renuka. Okay, very good guys. Have you understood the logic of multiplying this? What we can do? 4 1 by 7 into 119. 4 multiplied 4 by this, multiplied 1 by 7 into this, and add both these number. It will be a lot more easier to solve this type of expression like this. Understood guys? Any problem to anyone? Is everything clear to everyone? Should we move on to our next question? Do like the sessions and do share the session. Okay guys, like the session and share the session. Come on. Now next question, and your timer starts now. This is a question of inequalities. Commonly asked questions. Inequality is very prominently asked in your pre-examination. So you have to polish your skills for the questions on inequality. Now come on, punch your answer. You have provided with two equations, and you have to solve these values of x and y. Compare these values and punch your answer. Okay, Anuj has said answer is 493. Very good. Come on. Got it? Punch your answer quickly. I am waiting. Okay, no hurry. The main purpose is to make you understand the thing. So I am not in a hurry. Take your time, solve the question, punch your answer, and then only I am going to solve this. Okay guys? Come on. Very good Nisar. Nisar has come with the option number C. Very good Nisar. Nisar has come with the option number C. Rest of the student, please do try the question. Okay. Rani is going with the option number E. Very good Rani. Amal is going with option number C. Very good Amal. Let us see what will be the answer. Okay. Okay. I am solving it and understand. 5x square plus 26x minus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, and the second equation is 5y square minus 34y plus 24 is equal to 0. Now try to understand how I am solving this particular question. Okay, I am going to make the factors of 5 and 1 and factor of this constant term. So the factor of this constant term, I am taking 6 and 4. The whole purpose of this factorization is we have to obtain 26 by subtraction. Okay, so we will multiply 6 by 5, 30, and we will multiply 1 and 4. So it will give 4. So 30 minus 4 will give you 26. Plus and minus. The greater number will be having with minus sign, and the smaller number will be plus 4. No need to divide with this number. Okay, because in both the equation the coefficient of x square and y square are same, so we are not going to divide the numbers with 5. So the values of x comes out to be minus 30 and plus 4. Okay, Lucky Lakshmi is saying 6 into 20. Lucky, we cannot have 6 into 20 because we have to obtain 26 by subtraction. Okay, this science tells you how we have to obtain 26. Okay, now coming to this 5 and 1 and factor of 24, we will be taking 64. Now we have to obtain 34 by addition. So what we are going to do, we are multiplying 6 by 5, 6 into 5 30, and multiplying 1 by 4. So 1 into 4, how many? 4. Okay, minus plus plus plus, no need to divide by 5. So the value of x comes out to be minus 30 and plus 4. Value of y comes out to be plus 30 and plus 4. Now when we are going to compare minus 30, okay, try to understand minus 30 with plus 30, where we are having minus 30 as less than, and minus 30 with plus 4, it will be less than. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to compare 4 by plus 30. So 4 by plus 30, 4 by plus 30 is less than, and 4 and 4 are equal. So the right answer for this particular question will be x is less than equal to y. So how many students have passed the answer? Renuka Vadwa hai, Rajshekhar Reddy. Okay, so 2 students have gone with the option number D. Okay. Lucky, have you got my point? We have to obtain 26 by subtraction. Okay, and here in this question we have to obtain 34 by addition. This question is clear to everyone. The right answer for this particular question will come out to be x is less than equal to y. And if any problem, do comment in the comment section and I will clear your doubts. Okay, got my point? Now, okay, now try to solve the next question. Timer starts now. The timer starts now. Take your time. Do solve the question. Okay, the timer is set to make you feel the atmosphere of the competition and the exam. Okay, come on, punch your answers quickly. And simultaneously do try to clear your confusions. Okay, I will try my level best to clear your confusion here only. Now come on, punch your answers. I am waiting for your correct answers. I am giving you more time so that you are able to solve the question. The main thing is to solve the questions. Okay, the right solution will be provided by me and you can see that the right solution afterward, but the main thing is to make you do the question. Now punch your answers. Nisar, Lucky, Renuka, Anuj, Rani, Renu, come on. So Rajshekhar Reddy has come with option number A. Okay, Rajshekhar Reddy. Anyone with some other answers? Guru Suresh Yadav is coming with option number B. Okay, Guru. Come on guys, punch your answers. Take your time, I am waiting. Okay, now let's see what should be the answer. 56x square minus 97x plus 42. Anuj has come with the option number A. Okay, Anuj. And the second equation is 22y square minus 125y plus 22 is equal to 0. Arun Prasad has come with option number E. Very good, Arun. So what we are going to do, we are going to factorize 56 like 8 into 7 and 42 like 7 into 6. Okay, now we have to obtain 97 by addition. So what we are going to do, we are going to multiply 7 by 7, 49, and we are going to multiply 8 into 6. No, this will not be sufficient. 8 very good, 48. 8 into 6, 48, and this will give you a sum of 97. Okay, minus plus, both number will be positive, and divided by 56. Okay, so what we are getting, x is equal to 7778, and the second value of x will come out to be 8, 6, 48 and 6 by 7. Okay, now 22, factor of 22, 2 into 11, and factor of 22, 2 into 11. So what we are going to do, 11 into 11, 121, and 2 into 2 is equal to 4, because we have to obtain 125 by addition. Okay, minus plus, both number will be positive, divided by 22 and divided by 22. So value of y will come out to be 11, 11 and 11, 2 and 2 by 11. Okay, so when we are going to compare 7 by 8 with 11 by 2, so what we are going to get, we are going to x is greater than y, and 6 by 7 compared with 11 by 2, we will be getting this will be less than y. Okay, and 6 by 7 is also less than y. Now comparison of second value. Now 7 by 8 by 2 by 11, so 77 and 8 to 16, so 7 by 8 is greater than, so the right answer will be C and D. Okay, how I have compared 7 by 8. Okay, when we have to compare fractional values, this is 7 by 8, this is 11 by 2. So 7 to 14 and 8 11 88. 14 is less than. So the right this is also less than. Okay. So the answer for this particular question will come out to be E. Okay. One number will be greater and one number will be less. This answer will be C and D. Got my point? Answer will be C and D. Clear to everyone? Should I compare one more time? Because most of the student has given wrong answer. Now let us see. The factors are like this. So what we are going to do? We are going to compare now 7 by 8 and 11 by 2. So 7 by 8 is less than, and 6 by 7 and 11 by 2. 6 by 7 is also less than. Okay. Now 7 by 8 and 2 by 11. So 77 and 8 to the 16. So 77 is greater than. Okay. Sorry, I have compared wrong number. 2 by 11. So this will give you 77 and this will give you. Okay. So the answer will be C and D. Okay. Thumbs up to all of you who have given the right answer. Now coming to our next question. This is a arithmetic problem question and your timer starts now. A little bit of calculation. Child of God Children's Club. Now you understand, sir. Okay. Nisar, Thomas. Okay. Now try to solve this particular question. This is a little bit calculative question. Come on, punch your answer. Lucky Lakshmi, 8 into 6. Next 2 into 11. Yeah. So Nisar has come with option number C. Okay, Nisar, very good. Now let us see what will be the answer. Nisar has given option number C. Rest of the guys, do start punching your answers. Now what we have been provided with, the amount received on rupees 12x plus 600. This is our principal at 16.67%. This is our rate of interest. Compound interest for 2 years is rupees 18x minus 315. This is your amount. Okay. So the value of 16.67% is 1 by 6. And when we are compounding, we are going to get 1 by 6. We will be increasing the value 1 by 6. So what we are going to do, this is our principal 12x plus 600. And the first year, after first year, we will be getting the amount as 7 by 6. Always remember, when you are increasing something by 1 by 6, you will be getting 7 by 6. And second year also, we are applying the same rate of interest. So we will be getting 7 by 6. And the amount is given as 18x plus minus 350. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to multiply 49 into 12. So 49 into 12, it will give 588x, and 49 into 6, 9654, and this will give you 29,400, and 36 will be multiplied here. Okay. So 36 into 18 will give you 648x, and 36 multiplied by 30 will give you 12,600. Okay. So this will go here and subtract. So what we will be getting, 88 and 48. This will comes out to be 60x, and 29,400 minus 1200. This will give you 16,800. So the value of x comes out to be 700. Got my point? Now we have to find the principal. So principals comes out to be 12 into 700 plus 600. So 8400 and plus 600, 9000. Okay, now our principal is 9000, and we have to apply the compound interest of 33.33%. The value of 33.33% comes out to be, what is the fractional value of 33.33%? 1 by 3. So we are increasing 1 by 3. So amount that we will be getting will be 9,000 into 4 by 3 into 4 by 3. So 9 and 9 gets cancelled out. The answer should be 16,000. Okay. The right answer will be B. Rajshekhar Reddy has given option number B. Guru and Renu have given option number C. Nisar is also gone with option number C. Have you understood the concept and approach behind this particular question? I hope this question is clear to everyone. Okay. The main thing is to convert these percentage of values of decimal into fraction. Fractional value of 16.67 comes out to be 1 by 6 and fractional value of 33.33% comes out to be 1 by 3. Okay. Clear? Is this question clear to everyone? Okay. Now moving to our next question. Your timer starts now. If you are not getting the questions, please do watch the session again, and definitely you will be able to understand the logic and approach that is being implemented in solving this particular question. Okay guys, now try to solve this particular question. This question is of profit and loss. Okay, Rani has given thumbs up. Very good, Rani. Renu, Nisar, all are giving thumbs up. Very good. Okay, Nisar once again has come with the option number A. Very good, Nisar. Rest of the students, please do punch your answers. Okay, take your time. I am waiting. Okay, so what is the question saying? Question is saying the shopkeeper marks his article 90% above the cost price. Okay, it means if we assume CP to be 100, so the MRP will be 190. Okay. And while he gives two successive discount of 30% and 40%, okay, he is giving a discount of 30% and 40%, means the selling price will be given by 190 into 70 into 40. Okay, this calculation will give you your selling price. So the MRP will be 190, and from here what we are going to get, 19 into 28 will give you 532 and 53.2. Okay, and this is your 100. So what we are getting? We are getting a loss of 46.8. Okay, we are getting a loss of 46.8. Now the question is saying approximately how much discount should he give on the same MRP to gain rupees 127.40. Okay, so we have to gain 46.8. So our new selling price will be 53.2 plus 46.8. It will give you how much? 8 to 10, and this will come out to be, we are 46.8. This will give you selling price will come out to be 146.8. This is your new selling price. Okay, and your MRP is 190. Why 70? Okay, Rani is asking why 70, because if you are reducing a certain value by 30%, the remaining value will be your 70%. Okay, this will be your 60%. Sorry, this particular value will come out to be 60%. Okay, and when you are subtracting, reducing a particular value by 40%, this will give you 60%. Got my point? I have done a little bit mistake. This will not be 40, this will be 60, because we are reducing the value by 60%. Okay, so our MRP is 190 and our selling price is 146.8. so the discount will come out to be the difference of these two numbers, and this difference will come out to be 43.2. okay, 639,44819. so the discount percentage will come out to be 43.2 divided by 190 into 100. Okay, so point will give you this 43. No, so it will come out to be round about 23%. Okay guys, Nisar has given the right answer. Nadi, me, okay, option clear. to all of you? Now moving to our next question. This particular question is based on your concept of mixture and alligation. Okay, try to recall the concept of mixtures and try to solve this particular question in the given time frame. Come on, punch your answer quickly. What should be the answer for this particular question? Do share the session, like the session, so that maximum students can avail the benefit of this particular session. This particular question is based on the concept of mixture. Okay. I think the options are somewhere wrong. Options are a little bit wrong. Okay. Options are all wrong. Options are all wrong, Nisar. Now see, ratio of wine and water in a mixture is 5:4. One of the basic fundamental property of mixture is when we are withdrawing a certain amount, the ratio of milk and water remains same. If the ratio of wine and water in the initial mixture is 5:4, okay. So if we are withdrawing a certain amount, then the ratio will also be 5:4. Okay. So we have reduced the mixture by 40%. Got my point? Okay. All the options are wrong, typing error. So let us see what will be the answer of this particular question. So have you got my point? If we are withdrawing a certain amount, the ratio remains same. So what we have done, we assume that the wine is 5x, okay, and we are adding 20 liter of wine. So 5x plus 20, okay, this is your wine, and 10 liter of water in the remaining mixture. So 10 liter of water in the remaining mixture means 4x plus 10. And the quantities of wine and water in the final mixture, the difference of the quantities became 14.5. So this is our wine and this is our water. Okay. And the difference is given by your 14.5. Okay. So what we are going to get? We are going to get x and 20 and minus 10 plus 10, and this is 14.5. So the value of x comes out to be 4.5. Okay. So here the mixture is 9x. So 9x means 9 into 4.5. 9 into 4.5 will give you 40.5. And this 40.5 is your 60% mixture. We have to find the initial value. So the value of 60% is given by 40.5. So the 100% value will be, so let us do this, 0 and 0. So 6 6 is 36, remaining 4 7.5 liter. Okay. So the answer for this question will come out to be 67.5 liter. This is your 100% mixture. Okay. The question is saying we have used 40% of the mixture. It means the remaining mixture will be your 60% mixture. So whatever value will come here, that will represent the 60% of the initial mixture. So the value of 40.5 will be equal to 60%. Okay, and multiplied by 100%, we will get the initial mixture. Have you got my point? Solution is clear to all of you. Okay, done. Should we move to our next question? Okay, so try to solve the next question. Your timer starts now. This question is based on the concept of time and work. A very easy question if you understand the logic behind this particular question. Try to recall all the logics of time and work. Raghav Singh, yes sir. Nisar, okay, very good everyone. Okay, chalo. Nisar is giving option number C. Okay, Nisar, very good. You have solved it very quickly. How come? Nisar? You are, I think you are taking hit and trial. Okay. Time and work. Nisar is going with option number C. Nadimidoi Baswaraj. Okay, he is also going with option number C. Now what is saying, number of days which B and C take to complete the work are in the ratio 3:4. It means the ratio of time for B and C is given by 3:4, and if the ratio of time is 3:4, then the ratio of efficiency will come out to be 4:3. Okay, so we are assuming the efficiency of A as A, efficiency of B as 4 units, and efficiency of C as 3. Okay, A alone takes 13 days to finish that work. A and C work together for 4 days, after which C is replaced by B and the work is completed in next 3 days. Okay, we are going to apply the universal formula of time and work, that is your M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. Okay, so the work done by A, so efficiency of A comes out to be A into 13. Now what is happening, A and C work together, so efficiency of A is small a and efficiency of C is 3, and they are doing the work for 4 days. After that C is replaced by B. Okay, it means A will continue to work and he will be assisted by B. So efficiency of B is 4 and the work is completed in next 3 days. So what we are going to do, we are going to solve the value of A from here. 4A and 3A. 4 and 3 will give you 7, and 13A minus 7A, and this will give you 12 plus 12. So what will be the value of 336A is equal to 24. Efficiency of A comes out to be 4. Okay, efficiency of A comes out to be 4. Now again, what we have to do, in how many days A, B and C working together will complete the work. So we again imply A and A plus B plus C in how many days. Okay, we know the efficiency of A. Efficiency of A is 4 into 13. Efficiency of A plus B plus C, 4 plus 4, okay, and plus 3 into D. Got my point? So this will give you what, 52, and this will come out to be 11D. So the number of days will come out to be 52 by 11. Option number D. Got? Okay, so the right answer will be for 52 by 11 days. We are applying the formula of time and work M1 D1 2 times. Okay. Hopefully the question is clear to all of you. First we have applied the formula of time and work and calculated the value of efficiency of A, and then again we have applied the formula of M1 D1 to calculate the number of days. Now moving to our next question. The next question is a simple pie chart data interpretation. There are 2 pie charts given to you. Following pie chart show the percentage distribution of males and females of a sports academy playing different sports. Okay. The first pie chart is showing the representation of men. 20% men play kabaddi, 15% play tennis, 16% hockey, 26% cricket, and 23% football. And this particular pie chart represents the distribution of females. 18% kabaddi, 12% women playing tennis, 16% women playing hockey, 24% women playing your cricket, and 30% women playing football. Okay. Now coming to the question, your timer starts now. What is the question? Say it. Try to punch your answer in the allotted time. This is your first pie chart representing the distribution of men, and this is your second pie chart representing the distribution of women. Okay. Okay, students. So the question is saying if total male and females is 42,000 and males playing hockey are 320 more than females playing same, then find the total females playing kabaddi. So we are given with the information that male plus female is equal to 42,000 and the male playing hockey are 16% and female playing hockey are 16%. So the 16% of male and 16% of female, the difference is given as 320. So what we will get? We will get 16 m minus f is equal to 3 into 100. Okay, and this will come out to be, so what we are getting, male minus female 2000. Okay, so we are provided with two equations. First we have been provided with the sum of male and female 42,000 and male minus female as given by 2000. So males comes out to be your 44,000 and males will come out to be 22,000. This means females will come out to be 20,000. Okay, so total females are 20,000 and we have to find the females playing kabaddi. The female playing kabaddi are 18%. So female playing kabaddi will be 20,000 into 18%. That will give you 3,600. Okay, so the right answer for this question will come out to be 3,600, A option. Nadimi Dodi has given the right answer. Nisar has also given the right answer. Okay, now next question. Timer starts now. Okay, try to punch the answer quickly. Renu is have gone with option number C. Rani has given option number A. Very good, Renu and Rani, for solving the question. Okay, the answer may be wrong. The main thing is that you are attempting the question, and when you are attempting the question, it is easy to analyze your wrong process. Okay, you cannot analyze your wrong process by seeing someone performing right. Until and unless you solve the question, you will not be able to analyze your problems and weak areas. Okay, Nisar has come with option number D. Now what is the question saying? Question is saying ratio between average males playing kabaddi, tennis and hockey. Kabaddi 20%, tennis 15% and hockey is your 16%. So the sum of all the males will come out to be 20% plus 15% plus 16%, and for average we will be dividing it by 3. Okay, and the ratio is given with the average of female playing kabaddi 18%, tennis 12% and football, now football is given by green, 30%. So all the female F and 18% plus 12% plus 30% divided by 3, and this ratio is given by 51 by 65. So what we are getting in the numerator, all the males, and this will give you 51%, and in the denominator we will be getting 60%, and what will be the ratio come out to be? 50-51 cancel, so the ratio of male upon female comes out to be 12 by 13. Okay, all the males can be assumed as 12 and all the females can be assumed as 13. So what we have to calculate? Total female is what percent more? So what is the difference? Required percentage 1 and divided by, we have to compare it with by males. So the value of males is given by 12 into 100. So the right answer will come out to be 8.33%. Got my point? So the right option will be option number 1. Option number A. Nisar has given the right answer. Rani has given right answer. And all the students who have not given the right answer, please do watch and analyze where you have got wrong. Okay. Now coming to our last question of this session, and your timer starts now. Come on, punch your answers. Hopefully you have understood the concept and approach and calculation of the previous question. Try to solve this question. Easy question, very easy question. If you have understood the concept and you are in practice with the questions, you will be able to solve this question in only 10 seconds. Nadi has given option number C. Okay, Nadi. Now what we have been provided? We have been provided that females are 50% less. It means if males are 100, that means females are what? 50. Okay. So the ratio comes out 2:1. And 480 men play hockey. 16% play hockey. So this will be given by this. The number of females playing hockey. The number of females playing hockey. 1 into 16%. So the ratio of men playing hockey to the ratio of female playing hockey comes out to be 2:1. And the value of 2 is given as 480. It means the value of 1 will come out to be 240. Got my point? Option number B. Understood? Got my point? We have been provided with the ratio of male and female. All the males are 2 and all the females are 1. So 16% of males are playing hockey. 2 into 16%. They are already in ratio. So the number multiplied will be also in ratio. So this ratio will come out to be the males playing hockey and females playing hockey. And number of males playing hockey is 480. So number of females playing hockey will be 240. Got my point? Hopefully the logic is clear. Okay guys. Hopefully you have understood all the questions discussed in the particular session. If you have not understood, please do watch the session again and comment in the comment section, and I will give you reply to clear your confusion. So please do like the session, share the session, and download Entri app, those who have not downloaded Entri app. And in the next week we will be coming with another very good session of surprise test for you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.